Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best trailer wiring harness is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to boat maintenance, but it's also one of the most crucial. Without a properly functioning wiring harness, your trailer lights won't work, which is a major safety hazard. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of boat trailer wiring harnesses, exploring what makes a great one and how to choose the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Miady 25-foot trailer wiring harness with 4-flat connector. Need extra length for your trailer wires? This harness provides a 25-foot extension, eliminating the need for splicing. It's a simple way to extend your existing truck to trailer wires. The Wishbond style wiring setup simplifies installation. The design splits the running light circuit at the trailer connector, saving you time and effort. This makes the installation process easier. It comes with a 4-foot white ground wire and a 4-way flat plug connector. The ground wire is designed to run down each side of the trailer. This is completely sealed for corrosion resistance. The 18 AWG color-coded wires clearly identify each wire's function. This makes connecting the wires much easier and safer. It adds convenience to your installation. This is ideal for various trailers, including marine boat, horse, motorcycle, and ATV trailers. Ensure your tow vehicle has a 4-way plug for compatibility. It is a great choice for your trailer needs. What we like. This harness offers an extra long 25-foot length, perfect for extending your trailer's wiring without splicing. Its color-coded wires make installation a breeze, ensuring a safe and straightforward setup. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for various trailer types, this is the one for you. What people say. The wiring harness was easy to install. The lights are bright. The product is well made. Number 4. GEARit 7-way trailer wiring kit. Tired of complicated wiring? This kit features a color-coded system, making installation simple. You can say goodbye to confusion and hello to easy, safe connections. This trailer cable cord is built to endure tough conditions. It's weather-resistant and flexible, using pure copper connectors for top performance. Planning a trip? This wiring kit keeps your vehicle connected and powered. It's the ideal accessory for any outdoor adventure. With an 8-foot PVC extension cord, it gives you the flexibility you need. Its heavy-duty build ensures great performance and low electrical resistance. Don't let wiring issues ruin your trip. This kit is the perfect solution for all your trailer wiring needs. Get yours now and enjoy a worry-free journey. What we like. With its color-coded wiring system, this product makes trailer wiring a breeze. Built to withstand tough weather conditions, it ensures optimal performance. If you are an outdoor enthusiast with an RV or camper, this is the perfect accessory to keep your vehicle connected and powered up. What people say. The wiring harness was easy to install. The lights are working great. The product is well made. Number 3. 50-foot trailer wire harness kit. This trailer wiring harness is a premium solution for your towing needs. It's designed to provide a reliable and durable connection for your trailer lights. The kit features 5 wires with anti-corrosion properties. The thickened PVC wire coating and copper wire construction ensure it can withstand harsh weather conditions, resisting aging and damage. Installation is a breeze with this trailer wiring kit. The 18-gauge, 4-color-coded wires make it easy to distinguish the function of each wire, simplifying the setup process. The innovative Wishbone wire design eliminates the need for splicing. The wires split at the trailer tongue and run down each side, streamlining the wiring process. It includes a 42-foot male wire and an 8-foot female wire, providing ample length for various trailer light wire replacement needs. This ensures it can accommodate different trailer sizes and configurations. This trailer wire harness is universally compatible. It uses a standard 4-pin flat plug, making it suitable for various trailers, including utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. What we like. This kit features anti-corrosion wires and a wishbone design, ensuring durability and ease of installation. The color-coded wires further simplify the setup process. If you have a boat trailer and need a reliable wiring solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wiring harness was easy to install. The product worked as described. The lights on my trailer are working great. Number 2. True Mods Trailer Light Wiring Harness Kit. This trailer wiring harness kit from True Mods is designed for easy and reliable trailer light connections. It includes both male and female connectors for your convenience. The kit comes with a 25-foot male and a 4-foot female wiring setup. This provides ample length for various trailer sizes, ensuring a secure and lasting connection. Its wishbone design simplifies wiring to the taillights, making installation straightforward. This design helps to reduce the complexity of the setup process. This product meets SAE J1128 standards, ensuring safety and reliability. It's built to handle low voltage in vehicle electrical systems, and it's backed by a 2-year warranty. With a total wire length of 29 feet, this kit is perfect for trailers of various sizes. Whether your trailer is under or over 80 inches wide, this harness has you covered. The 18 AWG color-coded wires clearly identify each wire's function. This feature makes the installation process safe and easy to understand. What we like. This harness features a wishbone-style wiring setup and is SAE J1128 rated, ensuring safety and reliability. The color-coded wires make installation safe and straightforward. If you like a product with a long warranty and easy installation, consider this one. What people say. The wiring harness was easy to install. The product worked perfectly. The lights are bright. Number 1. Wishbond 14-gauge 100-foot trailer wiring kit. This heavy-duty wiring kit is designed for various trailers, including RVs, campers, and boats. It ensures a reliable and safe connection for your trailer lights. Compliant with industry safety standards, this wiring kit is highly flexible. It is suitable for a wide range of trailers, providing a secure and dependable electrical connection. With a 100-foot length, this wire offers extensive reach for different towing needs. It provides the flexibility needed for various trailer setups, ensuring a proper fit. The multicolored wires simplify the connection process, reducing errors and saving time. This feature makes it easier to install and maintain the wiring system. This trailer wiring harness uses thickened PVC wire coating, which can resist aging caused by harsh weather. It ensures long-lasting performance and reliability in various conditions. This premium quality 14-gauge 4-way trailer wiring harness includes a white wire for ground, brown for tail lights, yellow for driver side stop turn lights, and green for passenger side stop turn lights. It is designed for easy and secure connections. What we like. This product offers universal compatibility and an optimal 100-foot length, making it suitable for various trailer types. The color-coded wires simplify the connection process. If you have a variety of towing needs and want a versatile wiring solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The wiring harness was easy to install. The lights are bright and the wiring is well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.